I don't know when the silence became louder than her words. She used to text back in seconds. Now she leaves me on scene for hours. What changed? Did I say something wrong? Or worse, did I not say something I should have? She said, "I'm fine," but her silence screams something else. It's cold. Colder than goodbye. I remember when she used to laugh at my stupid jokes. Now she doesn't even look me in the eyes. She used to care. Or maybe I just wanted to believe that she did. I kept replaying every moment, every late night call, every "I miss you" text. Was it all a lie? Or did I just stop being enough? She's not replying because she's busy. She's replying because she's done. Done trying, done explaining, done pretending. And I hate how I still wait for her message. How I still open her chat. Like a fool. Hoping. Just hoping she remembers me.